Greetings everybody, down here in Baja, gonna set up Starlink today. Just got one of Elon Musk's new internet satellites in. That's what we're doing. We're gonna see how it is to set up Starlink. Here we are, desert, middle of nowhere. How else it work down here? Ask the question, ask the question. Bow, bow, bow. Middle of nowhere, all right. So here we are, out of the box. This took about 4 days to be ordered and shipped and arrive. Here we go, here's what we're looking at. We got the Starlink satellite antenna. That's all there is to it. Man, oh man, I love the simplicity here. We've got the dish. We've got a power cable, presumably for the, yep, there it is, for the router. That's the power cable for the router. There's the dish. Here's the long cable for the dish, which I presume will plug into the, yep, there it is, plugs into the router. So, and the cool thing is that when you order this, it comes preloaded with your subscription package. So this should be live and active right now. I'm not too sure what else is going to be involved. Here I got my instruction manual. Looks fairly straightforward. So step one, put it on the roof, I guess. Step two, plug it in. Step three, have internet. Oh, I guess you need to download the Starlink app by the looks of it. Maybe for commands and controls. That's it. That's the instruction process. Man, oh man, I love that. Okay, so I'm going to take it up onto the top of the roof here. So out here, I am off the grid. There's barely a cellular signal out here. So we are very much off the grid, and should be. I'm very excited and curious to see how fast. You know, how fast this Starlink satellite is, because I do have the Hughesnet satellite up here. Oops, getting windy. So I got the Hughesnet satellite up here. It works, but it's damn slow. Real damn slow. There's the Hughesnet dish. Where is it? There it is. Alright, Hughesnet satellite. Theoretical cellular booster doesn't work anymore. Spent too much time in the hurricane, probably. So yeah, here we are. Baja Mexico. The sun is setting. And yeah, there's nothing around. As you can see, just a lot of ocean. That's the guest house down there. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna point it here, leave it on the roof, giving some distance around it as much as I got at the moment. If that's not enough distance, I may have to adjust its location a bit. I don't know which way to point it. I'm just gonna take this cord, run it down back into the house, power that on, and see where we get from there. Okay, beautiful sunset. We've now run this very long cord, which is also a power cord for the satellite, down into the house. So now we get into the house, plug in the modem, turn it on, see if it works. Could it be that easy? Maybe. So we're gonna find out. I was initially thinking this would be a bit of a setup guide for how to set up a Starlink, but if it's actually this easy, man, no guide needed. Still kind of fun to see it done though, right? All right, plug this into the wall. So I have just kind of run my wire in from the window. Temporary solution, just to see how well this gets set up. I'm gonna plug the outdoor wire into the modem. There we go. Just gonna plug that into the bottom of the modem over here, right down below. And we got power now. All right, just downloading the Starlink app. There we go. Which one? I believe it's this one. Scan the entire sky. Okay, we got to go back up on the roof, I guess. Boom, 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 boom. Scan the sky. I don't know if I need to do this part or not, but we're gonna do it anyway. Oh, check that out. It's repositioned. Cool. Okay. Okay, so Starlink is saying find a location, check for obstructions, use your device's camera to explore the field of view. Actually showing. Oh yeah, it's interesting. So it's kind of got its GPS position, and it's kind of showing me where the satellites are. This is a great place. Oh, gotta like that. Cool. Let's continue. Oh, check that out. We got movement. All right. I think that might be our YouTube thumbnail right there. That's pretty good, right? Okay, I think we got our YouTube thumbnail. Let's start setup. Okay. Unexpected location. So where I'm located, there's no mailing address, so I have to order things in, Starlink included, to a certain location back in town a couple hours away. Now, what I'm thinking is because the Starlink's saying unexpected location, it registers a location a couple hours from here, and it's giving me a hard time about trying to update my location. So we are headed down to the old computer station to see what we can do in terms of updating the location where the address is meant to be originating from. Okay, so this is my Starlink web portal. Now I need to update my location on the map. I've added portability. I don't think it necessarily matters, but it does want to know where the satellite is sitting. So I'm going to open up my map here and find my location. Now one thing I did notice is that when you zoom out, and I thought it wasn't working on my location for a while, when you zoom out it takes away the option to click update. But what I then noticed later is you just have to be zoomed in close enough. So you can, as you can see, we can zoom in, and then once you're zoomed in close enough, then you can sort of pinpoint your location. So I'm just going to find my off-grid location here and update it. Okay, we should be now connected to the Starlink network, and hopefully the internet's active now. Let's check this out. Oh, is it going to work? I don't know. It's not working yet. All right. Okay. Looks like it took a little while to update the address, about 20 minutes or so. I unplugged the router, plugged it back in. It still gave me the error for a while, but anyways, it finally updated and it is now connected. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the satellite internet speed. All right, here we go. Okay, connected to Starlink, and I'm just gonna go over to fast. So by the way, just for those of you who need to update yourself in case you're getting a wrong. Anyway, let's check out the speed first and I'll tell you the rest later. Here we are, fast.com, testing the download speed. Holy smokes, it's blazing fast. They said it would be about this fast. I didn't believe it, but holy smokes, it's blazing fast. So there's the download speed. The upload speed is also looking like about 435 megabytes per second. Is that actually the ping time? 25 millisecond ping time? That's insane. Holy smokes, that is amazing. I can hardly believe it. I can hardly believe it's that fast. Let me show you guys what I get with my Hughesnet satellite by comparison. Okay, this is a fun one. Okay, so here's my Hughesnet satellite. Actually, it's slightly more expensive than Starlink. Sorry, Hughesnet, you guys suck. So here's Hughesnet. Let's check out the Hughesnet speed. Come on. There we go. Now keep in mind that says 680, but that's kilobytes per second, not megabytes per second. Wow, that is pathetic. God, that's slow. I'm out here in the off the grid in the desert. Usually we've got this air router, right? So this is the air router satellite that has usually been pretty good. That gets about 40 megabytes per second. And that, you know, out here in the desert is good. But Starlink, check out Starlink. Let's take another look at Starlink. Wow, 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 wow. All right, Starlink, go. Go, baby. Oh, man, look at that. Holy smokes. Over 200. Ah, freaking Elon Musk, man. The guy's my hero. Anyway, folks, there you have it. Starlink. Amazing. Freaking amazing. Middle of nowhere. 200 megabytes plus per second. Fast ping times. Holy smokes, you could probably FPS on this. FPS shooter on this, Call of Duty, whatever. I'm going to test that out. See you in the next video.